Well, we are now beginning week 6. Time does fly fast, doesn't it? We're almost done with this course. Like always, make sure you read our chapters this week, which will be chapters 11 and 16, and take the quiz. So your CAP last time was another addition to helping you complete your critical assignment, and you analyze the gait of a toddler and an adult. This week you're going to analyze the gait of a child, and then the same adult video that you watched last time. I know it's the same adult video. Don't stress out about that. You know how that video was already, so it's one less thing for you to have to relook at if you don't need to. Again, if you haven't understood the different phases of gait, these two videos right here are quite helpful in helping you look at the phases of gait and what to look for when you're watching these videos. So again, watch the video of this little girl and analyze her gait in all the different phases. So again, the adult video is to reference how a normal gait should appear, and then you're looking at what the child is doing in all these different phases. So make sure you are looking at all these phases. Some of you have left out a few of them, so make sure you go through all these different phases. And additionally, a lot of people forget this part of the assignment, so don't forget this part of the assignment. Write about how changes in a child's sensory and perceptual abilities could influence the development of their gait patterns. So, for example, I'll just give you a quick little example. You can use it in your paper if you wish to. Maybe a house where there's a lot of clutter on the floor, toys, things for the child to have to go up and down, things for the child to have to wander around. Maybe that has some kind of influence on the way their gait pattern develops. Okay, so that's just a freebie. Another example, I'm going to use a personal experience. I totally believe that because my son, when he was an infant, we had a crib waterbed, and I am convinced that because he had that crib waterbed and was walking on that waterbed, and we had waterbed also, his balance is awesome and excellent, and so that had an influence on the development of his walking because he was able to keep his balance and walk across that unique kind of surface in a waterbed. If you have any questions or concerns this week, please get in touch with me and we will tackle them as they come.